The 11th five-year plan is setting the stage for answer D, 9% economic growth. Which one out of the following is not the objective of Indian planning? Answer D, population growth. India is a full member of answer A, SAARC. According to purchase power parity PPP, India is answer A, fourth largest economy. The Mahalanobis strategy of Indian planning gave emphasis to the growth of answer A, heavy capital goods industrial sector. In the second industrial policy of 1956, industries were divided into answer D, three classes. In the financing of the Indian plans, indirect taxes have played answer C, a very important role. Which of the following factors is most important for the future industrial development of India? Answer D, creation of adequate infrastructural facilities. In which of the following plans did India experience two successive wars? Answer D, third five-year plan. The objective of the Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act 2004 is answer B, to reduce the fiscal deficit. Government of India has started selling a share of selected public sectors from the year answer C, 1992. The chairman of 15th Finance Commission was answer B, N.K. Singh. In terms of Human Development Index, India falls under the following category. Answer D, medium. Existence of huge black money creates answer C, decrease in the quality of output. The National Wildlife Action Plan was adopted by India in answer D, 1973. The index of poverty is prepared on the basis of answer A, subsistence level of consumption expenditure. AG mark is related to answer A, agriculture goods. Industrial credit is available from answer B, IFCI. Land reforms refers to the government's efforts at answer C, abolishing ownership rights of non-cultivating landlords. Peasant farming means answer C, the tenant cultivates the land. Marginal workers are people with answer C, less than 183 days of work in a census years. Tertiary sector activities include answer B, infrastructure services. What is meant by TRIPS? Answer A, trade-related intellectual property rights. VAT is imposed on answer A, the value added at each stage of production of a commodity. During first five-year plan, the national income was increased by answer A, 18% 1Z. The Asian Pacific Economic Cooperation APEC was inaugurated in 1989 at answer B, Canberra. The objective of TRISEM is answer C, training of rural youth for self-employment. Name the program of poverty alleviation launched the Government of India which was immensely benefit the rural poor. Answer A, National Rural Employment Guarantee Program. National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme give the right to employment for answer A 100 days a year. Point out the false statement. India entered into financial structure reform by answer C increasing import restriction. The concept of planned economy was first time propagated by answer D M Vishwasarya, who was forwarded the concept Sarvodaya upliftment for all plan to the government in 1950. Answer C J.P. Narayan. Which of the following is not right about Planning Commission? Answer D statutory body. Who was the Deputy Chairman of Planning Commission formed in 1950? Answer C Gulzari Lal Nanda. The report Economic Survey of India is published by answer D Ministry of Finance. Operation Borga, a program to the universal registration of tenants, was performed in 1977 in the state of answer C West Bengal. The economic policy adopted in 1948 was answer A mixed economy. Who first time calculate per head income in India? Answer C Dadabhai Naoroji. When SEBI was given the status of the statutory body? Answer A 1992. Who is the chairman of 14th Finance Commission? Answer A Y.V. Reddy. Bank rate is the rate at which answer D RBI lends to commercial banks. The main argument in favor of small scale and cottage industries in India is that answer D they generate a large volume of employment.